In this objective question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct virus option not transferred through the semen of the infected male. For this, we need to avoid the wrong option to conclude the correct option. Why we are not accepting option A, C and D? Why? Because human immunodeficiency virus, Ebola virus, hepatitis B virus are transmitted through the contaminated sexual fluid, unlike chikungunya virus. Chikungunya virus is transmitted from one person to another person, not through the sexual fluid. So we are choosing chikungunya virus as a correct option to secure 4 mark after ignoring option A, C and D. This chikungunya virus is having a RNA as genetic material covered by capsid, and also it is having a envelope glycoprotein, specifically E1, E2. With this specification, we are choosing option B as the correct answer. What are the points we told with this picture and option that we are giving as an elaborative sentence to take the NEET notes for future reference? Male who are infected do not transmit the chikungunya virus through their semen. It is spreading by mosquito bite. For example, Aedes aegypti is responsible for transmitting chikungunya virus. Direct contact with blood or other body fluid such as urine, breast milk, perspiration, semen, vomit or diarrhea can spread through Ebola. Hepatitis B virus and AIDS are the example of sexually transmitted disease. With this specification, we are choosing option B as the correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option A, C and D.